Hello, hello. Good morning, good morning. Once again, this is Kaprotas. Breakfast time. My coach, more cook hot pods better to me than more fresh cold pods. That's my coach and observation. But ignore my pods. It's up to you what is your pods and drinks. And also, any problems that comes to me, I have a solution. I don't put in heart and mind a problem because it will destroy my everyday life and future. I always say there is a solution in problem. That's my coach and observation. Okay, let's set breakfast time. Press. Only this the press. Orange. Manamis-namis. Pop. Ano? Morning.